Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and fast-growing trends in personal finance, AI-powered investing. You've probably seen headlines about artificial intelligence transforming everything from healthcare to transportation, but did you know it's also revolutionizing how everyday people invest their money? And here's the best part. You don't need to be a Wall Street pro or a tech genius to benefit from it. In fact, beginners can gain a huge advantage by learning how to use AI tools the right way. Stick with me until the end, because I'll not only break down the basics in simple terms, but also share practical tools and real examples that can help you get started today. Let's start with the big question. Why use AI for investing at all? Think of it this way. Traditional investing often relies on human judgment, intuition, and guesswork. That can lead to emotional decisions, buying when prices soar out of fear of missing out, or panic selling during downturns. AI, on the other hand, doesn't get emotional. It analyzes enormous amounts of data, spots patterns we humans might miss, and makes recommendations based in logic, not fear. Imagine having a financial co-pilot who never sleeps, constantly monitoring the market for you. That's what AI can do. But here's a hook. Don't fall into the trap of thinking AI is magic. It won't make you rich overnight. What it does is help you make smarter, more consistent decisions, and that's where long-term wealth is built. So let's explore some of the practical tools beginners can use right now. First up is robo-advisors. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and SoFi Invest use AI-driven algorithms to create and manage your investment portfolio. You simply enter your financial goals, maybe saving for retirement or building an emergency fund, and the system builds a customized mix of stocks and bonds for you. The AI automatically rebalances your portfolio over time, so you don't have to stress about constantly buying and selling. A friend of mine, Sarah, a complete beginner, started with just $500 on Betterment. Within a year, she saw consistent growth without ever having to read a single stock chart. That's the power of AI doing the heavy lifting. Next, let's talk about AI stock screeners and research tools. Tools like Trade Ideas, Zacks, or FinViz use machine learning to scan thousands of stocks in seconds and highlight potential opportunities. Instead of spending hours researching companies, AI does it in real time. For example, Trade Ideas can alert you when a stock meets your personal criteria, maybe undervalued companies or stocks showing growth potential. It's like having a personal assistant scanning Wall Street 24/7. Here's a mini hook. What if I told you that some of these tools outperform human analysts when it comes to predicting stock trends? That doesn't mean they're perfect, but it shows how powerful AI has become in leveling the playing field for everyday investors. Another accessible entry point is AI-powered financial planning apps. Think about apps like Clio, Digit, or even ChatGPT-style financial bots that help you budget and save. These tools analyze your spending habits and recommend how much to invest without hurting your daily lifestyle. John, a young professional from California, used Digit, and within 18 months he had saved $3,200 he didn't even realize he could set aside. That money later became the seed for his first investment portfolio. Now let's look at copy trading with AI. Platforms like eToro combine AI with social investing. Here, AI algorithms identify top-performing traders and let you automatically copy their moves. For beginners, it's like training wheels. You learn while your money follows the strategies of more experienced investors. Of course, there are risks, but the AI helps filter who is actually performing well over time versus just having a lucky streak. Mini hook. Would you trust your money to follow a stranger's trades if AI told you they've consistently outperformed the market? It sounds scary, but thousands of beginners are already doing this every day. Here's another area you should know about: AI sentiment analysis. Believe it or not, AI can read news articles, social media posts, and financial reports to measure market sentiment. Tools like Xern or StockTwits AI can help you spot when the crowd is becoming overly optimistic or pessimistic. Why does this matter? Because beginner investors often get caught up in hype. If AI shows the market mood is overheated, it might be a signal to hold off before buying into a bubble. Let's pause for a reality check. While AI tools are powerful, they are not foolproof. Markets are unpredictable, and no algorithm can guarantee profits. But here's what AI can guarantee: better data, faster analysis, and reduced emotional mistakes. That combination can give beginners a head start compared to going in blind. So how do you actually get started if you're new? Here's a simple step-by-step approach. 1. Start small. Even $100 on a robo-advisor can teach you how it works. 2. Use free trials of AI stock screeners to explore what's out there. 3. Let an AI budgeting app show you where to cut costs and free up money for investing. 4. Never put all your trust in one tool. Use AI as a guide, not a guarantee. And remember, AI is not replacing human investors, it's empowering them. The most successful beginners are those who combine their own common sense with AI insights. Final mini hook. Imagine looking back 5 years from now, realizing that while others hesitated, you were early in adopting AI tools that steadily built your financial future. That's the opportunity right in front of you today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more no-nonsense money tips, and share this with a friend who wants to start investing but doesn't know how. Remember, AI isn't here to replace your financial journey. It's here to make it smarter, faster, and easier. Stay focused, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you.